Well, people. I want to say day one is pretty much a wrap. We're at the end of the day for this day one of 10 days of juice cleanse, green juice only. It's roughly about 8:59 p.m., so pretty much the day is over. Day was interesting. I can tell you pretty much I didn't have any hunger pains. I didn't experience any headaches. My wife is out of town, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Um, Basically, I didn't have any temptation of her eating food or anybody around me eating food to trigger that. But I think mostly because they say when you get your nutrients, the proper nutrients, your body doesn't crave or your body doesn't get hungry. So in other words, when we're eating processed food, McDonald's, Popeyes, blah 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 blah, you're not getting the proper nutrients. Pizza Hut, so you're continuing to get hungry because your body's craving those nutrients. Is what I think. Did I have some thoughts? Should I be doing this? Yeah, I had some thoughts. Should I be doing this? This is day one. It's a Saturday, April 1st. So I figured I got 7 more days to go just for another Saturday. And then even after that, Saturday is just day 7. Sunday 8, Monday 9, Tuesday is 10. So I have to go all the way until Wednesday to complete the cycle. Pretty much wake up on Wednesday. I thought about should I do a smoothie because smoothie has more fiber, more of the roughage. But so now I'm going to go ahead and stick with the cleanse. Thought about whether or not I should incorporate a salad or anything to that nature, but no, I'm going to stick with the cleanse. Now I am contemplating whether or not taking shots of apple cider vinegar, because I would just want to, help induce the benefits of apple cider vinegar. So I may introduce that into day 2. I'm not too sure, but pretty much no hunger pains, no headaches. Everything has been copacetic. No irregular bowel movements. Everything pretty much is the same for day 1. So I'm impressed. As you can see, I'm not upset. Day 2, we're gonna figure out whether or not I'm have some headaches. Now, one thing I did experience earlier, I don't know if it's because of the pollen, but my nose started running. It started draining. I don't know if it's the green vegetables bringing out the toxins out of my body because I'm detoxing, or if it's just the allergies itself. I can't explain it, but nevertheless, day 2, stay tuned. Maybe I get headaches, maybe I won't. But so far, I'm doing copacetic. All right? See y'all later.